This is a bend in the busbar trunking system with 4 connections and a pure copper door in the 4+1 configuration. This copper door should be placed after the 3-way junction, similar to the horizontal bay in our Chio family, used to connect 2 straight sections at a 90-degree angle. Take a look at our team's copper, which goes through our insulating resin and is then packaged to prevent the copper from connecting and causing short circuit. This is our mother, connected to our transformers or distribution cabinets, and it is fixed inside. This is what we have done and are waiting to be shipped. You can see here the straight sections of the busbar trunking system. And what is this? This is used to connect our power distribution box. Where we have a box, and it is installed inside the box. If you need to connect other external stores, you can use this copper busbar. It is much more convenient than cable. If you want to make a connection in the middle of the cable, you may need to cut it open, but with this, you can directly plug it in. This is a bend, a turn, a French one, and this one is for climbing high. And the lamp height is on this side, and it is already packaged. This side is double row, where 2 1600 ampere buses are combined into one 3200 ampere bus. Here we have the shell used by our mother, and all the shells we use are made of aluminum alloy. You can see our connectors here, which are all made of cast iron. This is the general practice. But many factories now use sheet metal, but we use cast iron. The raw materials here are all made of aluminum alloy. Aluminum alloy has good corrosion resistance, and you can see that it has a layer of white color on the surface, which is anodized and has stronger resistance to destruction. This is our copper plating. And here is the laser cutting machine used to cut some of the aluminum alloy shells. And this is Xiaokan. Now let's take a look at the installation and assembly of our busbars. No matter what shape the strawberry is, after it is finished, it will be wrapped with insulating material. And here is a process of assembly, using certain guns to wrap it up. This is a simple manual device. It uses rivets. Here are some of the busbars we are distributing, and let's take a look at the packaging and preparation for shipment. At this time, it is still a bit messy, but when we pack and ship, we will use pallets to package them all. And here are our copper busbars. Our copper busbars are first cut, and after cutting, we will polish them. Why do we polish the nutshell? Why do we polish the ceramic plate? Polishing is to prevent impurities on the surface from damaging the insulating resin later on. So, sometimes on-site installation of the busbars can be tricky because short circuits can cause fires and explosions. And here is our phase 2, which is not ready yet. After phase 2 is completed, we will have the entire busbar trunking workshop